Introducing the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. This compact sander features a low-profile design for added control and is ideal for surface preparation, smoothing seams, and removing paint or varnish. Use the included dust bag or connect to a 1 1/4-inch back hose for high-performance dust collection. It also features a dust-sealed switch, which provides durability. This sander can also be stored easily away between uses. Get your job done the easy way with the Craftsman 3.0 amp Random Orbit Sander. Craftsman. We build pride.
.120 XP Universal Spline Ratcheting Wrenches from Gear Wrench. The name you know to get it done has redefined performance by delivering the tightest ratcheting arc on the market, an incredible 120 position, 3-degree swing. 120 XP wrenches use double-stacked pawl technology to alternately engage 2 pawls in the ratcheting mechanism. The result? Access to fasteners even in the tightest spaces. Available in metric and standard, the Gear Wrench 120 XP series features 3 styles: combination, combination flex head, and flex head gearbox. All come with the versatile 120 XP Universal Spline Ratcheting Drive. No matter what fastener you come up against, 6-point, spline, 12-point, E-Torx, or square, the 120 XP fits them all. Gear Wrench 120 XP ratcheting wrenches take access to the extreme. Extra long beams reach down deep and increase leverage, while narrow profiles and smaller outer diameters allow these wrenches to work where others won't. Combination flex head and flex head gearbox wrenches angle at the head for clearance over obstructions and to assure proper alignment on hard-to-reach fasteners. Combination and combination flex head wrenches feature the Gear Wrench dual direction surface drive that grips tight and helps reduce rounding.